ePayPolicy integrates with Nexsure to make your payment processing seamless. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Give your clients access to your integrated payment page, whether on your website, email signature, or invoice. On the payment page, clients will enter their enterprise client code and postal code to access their open invoices. Then, the payer will select which invoices they want to pay and have the option to pay with either credit card or ACH. You can also use the delivery template feature to send a pre-filled payment page link containing the enterprise client and postal codes. After they pay, they'll receive an e-receipt displaying their enterprise client code and the amount paid. This information will be accessible to you through your ePay dashboard. A cash receipt will automatically be created in Nexsure against the policies of the paid invoices. For MGAs and program administrators, ePayPolicy can also be integrated with the quoting process to enable your clients to pay for their policy when coverage is bound. As you can see, the integration really does streamline your receivables. Trust me, your accounting team will love this. Contact us to learn more about the Nexsure integration today.